Hey, what's up guys? Today's video, let's learn how we can use this Polarstep application. First of all, head over to your Play Store and make sure that you have downloaded Polarstep. So if you have not downloaded yet, search for Polarsteps. This is the application that you should download. Once you have downloaded it, launch it. Now this application will allow you to track your trips. So what you have to do is simply continue with one of your Google account. If you already have an account, you may go ahead and sign in. If not, you're going to have to create an account. Now likewise, let's give it my name and tap on continue. It will also require you to simply allow notification and also location. So go ahead, type in your location. And after you have added your location, you will see a page like this. Now in here, tap on add a trip and select if you would like to plan a future trip or if you're currently traveling or if you would like to add a past trip. So I'm going to simply tap on the future one, then tap continue. Add your destination, then tap continue. Now in here, all you have to do is set dates for your trip. I'm going to set it for, let's say 22 till 27 and then save it. You can also name your trip if you would like. I'm going to simply write trip 1. And then if you have any travel buddies, you can mention them as well. Now likewise, tap on create trip. Now it says let's go, so simply tap onto the button. And likewise here, start with your trip direction. You can add and start and end destination. If it's going to be a round trip, toggle it on. If not, simply toggle it off. Now likewise, under type of travel, you can select if it's going to be a hiking, a rail trip, a boat trip, or anything that you would prefer. And likewise, you can also type in your description under preferences. And this is basically generating an itinerary for your future trip. So once you have mentioned everything, you may go ahead and tap on generate itinerary. Saying that, it will check the weather for you and also the possible routes for your destination. Now, this being the planning, if you would like, you can also track your trip once you have enabled the tracker or once you have started your trip. Now, if you would like to enable the travel tracker, you will have to allow location permission. So go ahead, do that, and then your trip will be tracked. Now, as you can see that I planned my future trip, so that is why it's showing 2 nights until your trip starts. Now, after your trip actually starts, you may go ahead and see some in-depth insight about your trips. If you tap on the 3-bar icon, you will see that it also shows you the kilometer covered, the days of your trip, the countries you've traveled, all the views that you got in your trip if you have made it public, the likes and steps. And likewise, tap on trip settings. Here you can customize your trip or edit your trip if you would like to do so. And once done, guys, this is how easy it is to use your application of Polarsteps. All it does is tracks your steps and the destinations that you are traveling. Thank you all for watching. We will catch up in our next upload.